Good day, sir. And now I will discuss all about criteria in damage stability, and I will explain about of that damage. Number 1, positive stability after damage. The shape the shape must still have enough writing ability after flooding. This means the vessel should maintain a positive GM material center height and GZ writing arm. The writing arm cover should remaining positive over the surface range of heel angle. Final heel angle limitation. After flooding and water equalization, the final angle of heel should greatly not exceed 20 degree. In some case, up to 30 may be accepted temporary. Exterior heel is dangerous because cargo may shift, passenger panic, opening my submarine, and capsizing risks increased. Equilibrium range of stability. The ship must maintain an sufficient range of positive stability beyond the equilibrium position. This means is the vessels can recover from external forces like waves, wind, or passenger movement. Minimum residual free aboard. After damage, enough freeboard must remain about water. This prevents progressive flooding, seawater entering through opening, loss of reserve buoyancy. 5. Prevent of progressive flooding. Opening such as doors, ventilator, hatches must remaining about water or be watertight. The ship should not allow water to spread accountability to other compartment. Survivability requirement under the permanent SOLAS method. The ship will attending submersion index are require submersion index, meaning the actual survivability of the ship must meet or exceed the required standard. Factor considered in damage stability criteria. The criteria evaluate flooding of compartment, permeability of space, ship loading condition, term and heel, subdivision arrangement, service buoyancy. Purpose of the damage stability criteria. The criteria are designed to improve ship survivability, protect lives, reduce capsizing, provide time or evaluation, and rescue. A simple explanation, the damage stability criteria are the SOLAS safety requirements that determine if a damaged ship can stay float, remaining stable, and avoiding capsizing after flooding. And that's all.